There's a noticeable difference between a vacuum that simply cleans and one that genuinely changes how often and how easily you clean your home. And if you've been looking for a cordless vacuum that feels premium, powerful, and thoughtfully engineered for daily use, this might be one of the more complete options currently available. Welcome back to Buy with Confidence. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Samsung Jet 90 Complete Cordless Stick Vacuum in Titan Silver. This is a high-performance cordless stick vacuum designed for homeowners who want strong suction, flexible cleaning, and the convenience of cordless mobility without sacrificing serious cleaning capability. Whether you're dealing with hardwood floors, carpets, pet hair, stairs, or hard-to-reach spaces, the Jet 90 positions itself as a premium all-around solution. And if you'd like to check current pricing or availability, the purchase link is available in the description below. Reason 1. Powerful suction that feels closer to a full-size vacuum. One of the strongest selling points here is the impressive 200 air watts of suction power. In practical use, that translates into deep cleaning performance that feels much more substantial than many lightweight cordless models. Fine dust, pet hair, larger debris, and embedded dirt are handled with confidence across multiple floor types. The turbo action brush rotating over 3,700 times per minute also helps maintain consistent pickup performance, especially on carpets and textured flooring. Reason 2. Cordless freedom without constant battery anxiety. Battery life matters more than most people expect, especially in larger homes. Samsung addresses that well with up to 60 minutes of runtime on a single charge. More importantly, the dual charging station and removable battery system create flexibility that genuinely improves the ownership experience. You can charge 2 batteries simultaneously and quickly swap in a spare if needed, making uninterrupted cleaning much more realistic for larger spaces. Reason 3. Lightweight design with premium ergonomics. At around 6 pounds, the Jet 90 feels surprisingly manageable considering its power. The adjustable telescopic pipe with 4 height settings helps create a more comfortable cleaning position, whether you're vacuuming floors, stairs, under furniture, or higher surfaces like blinds and shelves. The balance between power and usability is one of the reasons this vacuum feels premium during everyday use rather than simply looking premium on paper. Reason 4. Advanced filtration and cleaner air quality. Samsung's 5-layer filtration system is another area where this vacuum builds confidence. Combined with the Jet Cyclone system, it captures up to 99.999% of microdust particles while helping maintain airflow consistency over time. For households sensitive to allergens, dust buildup, or pet dander, this creates a noticeably cleaner overall environment. Trusted by many 5-star reviewers, the Jet 90 has developed a strong reputation among users who value both performance and cleaner air quality. Reason 5. Versatility that justifies the investment. The Jet 90 Complete package includes multiple attachments that make the vacuum adaptable for different situations. The mini motorized tool works especially well for upholstery and pet hair, while the long-reach crevice tool simplifies tight corners and difficult spaces. Instead of feeling limited to floors alone, this becomes more of a complete home cleaning system that can replace several separate tools. Final verdict: the Samsung Jet 90 Complete is clearly positioned as a premium cordless vacuum, and the price reflects that. It may also feel more feature-rich than necessary for smaller apartments or occasional cleaning needs. But for larger homes, mixed flooring, pet owners, or buyers wanting cordless convenience without compromising cleaning performance, it stands out as one of the more refined and capable options in its category. What makes it impressive is not just the suction power, but how balanced the overall experience feels, from ergonomics and filtration to battery flexibility and day-to-day usability. If this feels like the right fit for your home, you'll find the purchase link in the description below. And as always, invest in products that make everyday living simpler, cleaner, and more comfortable over the long term.